I'm young, I've got a young family, I want to make sure that this is the best thing that I can do for myself.
47-year-old Australian native Darren Nolan lives an active life as a director of an interstate transport company and raising his young daughter Adeline alongside his wife.
It's certainly been a challenge. I was feeling slightly overwhelmed.
In 2013, Darren started having some pain in his side. After his doctor recommended taking some scans, a tumor was found growing in one of his kidneys.
They found a 7 centimetre by 3 centimetre tumour in my right kidney.
The diagnosis was stage 3 kidney cancer, the same disease his dad was currently fighting.
I remember ringing him as soon as I was diagnosed because the doctor at the time just said, "You've got RCC," and I knew what that was.
After undergoing surgery to have his kidney removed, Darren started getting his health back and gaining strength. However, a year and a half later,
I went back for a regular melanoma check and they found a spot on my forehead. And they took a biopsy and said it's renal cell.
The cancer had spread. After the removal of the growth on his face, doctors said Darren was in the clear again. But when a routine scan in early 2018 showed progression, Darren knew it was more serious this time.
They found it sort of in all locations, then they say you've got metastatic stage 4 cancer. Nodules in my right lung. There was a nodule in my left lung, some in my right adrenal gland and left adrenal gland.
After Darren had seen his father succumb to the same cancer he was now battling, he embarked on a global search for answers and the best options for treatment.
The journey started with doing research. So that's another one.
After learning of UT Southwestern on a patient care blog, Darren contacted the director of the kidney cancer program, Dr. Jim Brugarolis.
I emailed Dr. B along with 9 other hospitals in Australia, and I received no responses from Australia, and I received an immediate response from Dr. B.
So Darren booked a flight from Toowoomba, a town outside of Queensland, Australia, and flew 9,000 miles to Dallas, Texas for a consultation.
Mr. Nolan?
Hey, how are you?
Hi, Megan.
Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you.
Megan Dougherty, the Director of Patient Experience at the Kidney Cancer Program, was able to coordinate all of Darren's appointments, making the process much easier.
Having someone come all the way from Australia for a consult at UT Southwestern is really exciting. We are able to provide hope for patients where at some other places they were not given as much hope.
The Kidney Cancer Program is known for its multidisciplinary approach, and during his 3 days in Dallas, Darren was able to meet with kidney cancer experts in medical oncology, urology, and radiation oncology who could better discuss his options.
Because we're a large academic institution, we are able to offer unique therapies that other institutions are not able to offer, whether it's clinical trials or immunotherapy or SBRT radiation. I'm finding a lot of patients that come and get second opinions for kidney cancer are told, wow, I didn't think that I had this many options still available.
UT Southwestern has got an awesome reputation, so that's the reason why I'm here. I think you can either be the type of person that goes, okay, I've got something, and fall into a big heap. Or you can be the type of person that goes, okay, I've got this, I need to deal with it.
Providers at UT Southwestern located a site closer to home in Brisbane, Australia, where Darren is currently on an immunotherapy clinical trial.
It doesn't hurt to sometimes get a second opinion, so I feel very fortunate that I have the opportunity to do that.